Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark, and we have some very exciting news, especially for people who are going to purchase the Toyota Innova Hycross. Now the Innova Hycross has scored a 5-star safety rating in both adult occupant protection and child occupant protection in the latest Bharat NCAP test, which is a really good thing because safety comes first, and since it has both 5-star safety rating for adult and children, that makes the Toyota Innova Hycross a very safe car. Now if we talk a little bit about the Toyota Innova Hycross, now if we talk about the engine option, it gets a 2-liter 5th generation VVTi engine. It produces around 183 bhp of power and 188 Nm of peak torque. Obviously it's a 4-cylinder, it's a DOHC engine, and it also has a battery because this is available in a hybrid variant as well. It is also available in a 6 and a 7-seater variant. So the hybrid variant gets a cell type of, gets a 168 cell NIMH battery, and obviously it's an automatic, it's an eCVT gearbox and a front wheel drive car. If you talk about the fuel option, obviously it is only available in a petrol avatar. Mileage wise, the company claims around 23.24 kilometers per liter. If you talk about the fuel tank capacity, 52 liters is what it gets, and it gets a top speed of around 170 kilometers. Braking wise, it gets front and rear discs, and the 0 to 100 timing which is tested is around 10 seconds, just at 10 seconds, and it gets 18-inch alloy wheels. Now boot space is around 300 liters, with obviously you have the third row. If you fold the third row, you will have much more space. On the inside, obviously you get your touch screen, you get a digital cluster, you get ventilated seats, you get height adjustable driver seat, and air quality control. So a lot of features on the interior are also well. Ventilated seats, cruise control, second row captain seats will tumble. You have ottoman seats as well with that actually recline back, and you can have a very nice time within the car. It gets a tire profile of 225 by 50 R18 radial tubeless tires, and on the outside obviously everything is LED, from the DRLs to the headlamps to the tail lights, fog lights, everything is finished in LED. So yeah, it is a pretty premium car. If we talk about safety again a little bit, obviously as I mentioned, 5-star safety rating is what it's got from Bharat NCAP, but anti-lock brake system, that's ABS, central locking child safety, anti-theft alarm, 6 airbags are obviously there in the car. And a little bit about the ADAS features. If we talk about ADAS features, obviously it gets front collision warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, adaptive high beam assist, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. It does not get an autonomous parking feature, that has not been incorporated with this. So this was the Toyota Innova Hycross, and now as I mentioned, it has got a 5-star safety rating for both adult and child occupants. And if we talk about the price of this car, it starts at 19.94 lakh and goes all the way up to the 32.58 lakh mark ex showroom. So yeah, it is slightly on the expensive side, but it is completely safe. It's got a very good fuel economy, it is a very practical MPV, and it is a fantastic looking car. So if you need any more information about the Toyota Innova Hycross, we will get back to you on that. Let us know in the comment section, and until then, if you've liked this news, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all social media channels, and I will see you in the next video.